What's up, family, and welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I'm going to be harvesting my sweet potatoes. I started my sweet potato slips from a store-bought sweet potato, and the process took about 2 to 3 months for the sprout to begin to grow out of the potato after I soaked it in water. But I'm going to make another video about that later because I'm going to be starting some more for next year, but that's for another video. But today I'm going to be harvesting the ones that I have already planted in this planter. I bought this planter from Roses. It was about $7. It's just a regular large laundry basket, and I just drilled some holes in the bottom, put the soil in there, and I planted the potato slips. It's been about 4 months, over 100 days. I planted it at the end of May, beginning of June, so yeah, it's about time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these slips off of here, or cut the plants off of here, and we're going to see if I have any sweet potatoes up under here. So here we go. Alrighty, gonna dump this baby out. We're gonna see what we got. It looked like he got a pretty good root system in here. Let's see if we got any sweet potatoes in here. It's like a treasure hunt. Like a treasure hunt. Alright, potatoes, where are you? Where are you? Oh, we got some little nubbers. Okay, that's a weird little shape, but we can make some like sweet potato candy sticks or something out of it, or some sweet potato fries. Kind of twisted little shape. Look at that. It's weird looking, ain't it? It's gonna get ate up, that's for sure. Okay, there we got a regular size one right there. Okay, we getting there. For this to be my first time growing, I am super excited at whatever I get out of here, because it's gonna get eaten up. Make sure I got it all. Look like we right about at the end of it here. It's a nice little root. Let's see if there's anything over here. Another little baby. I'll take it. Got a lot of little pieces in here. Looks like I'm gonna have some potato fries. But finish digging through here. I think we at the end of it. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna have to use this dirt for something else. Okay. In any event, this is all the potatoes that I have. Here we go right here. Not many, but it's enough. It's gonna make at least 1 or 2 meals. Make me some sweet potato fries, and this one could probably be a sweet potato, definitely be a sweet potato. But for my first time growing, I'm happy with what I came out with. I wish it was more, but I'm thankful for what I did get. So next time I'll try to plant more slips. These came out of like 4 slips, and I'm grateful. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me with a comment or any tips. Thank you, and have a good day.